automatic humidity control, incubator, top cover, tube assembly, car strips, egg frame, grate, base. Use process. Flip top cover and install hose assembly. There are 3 considerations when installing. First, the short tube goes around the runner. Second, the main tubes penetrate deep into the machine through small holes. Third, long tubes protrude through small holes in the transparent shell. After the power is powered on, the humidity control motor drives the runner to rotate. Then, put the base, the grate, the egg frame, the car strip in order. Put the eggs in and slide them manually to make sure they all turn smoothly. Close the cover and make sure the shaft is inserted into the egg frame slot. Connect the power supply and turn on automatically. Direct current interface can also be used. Power on, start heating, fan turning. Set required parameters. The first one on the left is egg candling. The second one on the left is the manual water button. In the middle is the menu button. You can set the temperature, humidity, incubation days, and turning time. If the humidity is lower than the set value, the humidity control motor operates by itself. The motor rotates and the strop absorbs water. For about 10 minutes, water gradually filled the pipe. Water trickled into the incubator until the humidity reaches the set value. Humidity. Users generally only need to pay attention whether there is water in the container. During the incubation process, the incubator turns the eggs itself. Use vent valves as required. Stage egg lighting according to demand. Important reminder. First, in addition to the upper cover, other parts can be washed with water. Second, after 1 round of incubation, remove the hose assembly and return it to its natural state. Third, the short tube friction for a long time will have a certain wear. Check carefully before each incubation. If water cannot be automatically added, replace it immediately. You can either take a new short tube from the hose kit or cut a section from the long tube. Fourth, if you hear a beeping alarm, usually abnormal temperature or humidity, please check whether the cover is good or there is no